Imagine Earth without its moon. The night sky would be darker. No gentle moonlight to guide us. The oceans would behave differently. Tides would be much smaller. Only the sun's gravity would cause them. Coastal ecosystems would change drastically. Many creatures rely on the tides. Navigation would become harder. Sailors depend on tidal patterns. Our days would be shorter. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, Earth might wobble. This could cause extreme climate changes. Seasons would become unpredictable. Some places might freeze. Others might become scorching deserts. The Earth would spin faster. A day might only be 6 to 8 hours long. Imagine adjusting to that. The winds would be stronger. Faster rotation means more storms. Life would have to adapt. Evolution would take new turns. The absence of the moon would affect life. Perhaps new species would emerge. The night sky would be different. No bright moon to admire. But we would see more stars. The Milky Way would be clearer. Our connection to the cosmos would shift. We would learn to live differently. Humanity is adaptable. We would find new ways to thrive. Earth without the moon, a different world. Still beautiful, still our home.